Governor, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from, and depending on where you're watching this video. Because Governor, and when another discovering shocking news I discovered since I returned from the state to Nigeria, and when another shocking discovery, prostitution the too much in this country. I've been to Anambra, my state. I've been to Oka. I've been to Ozobro. I have been to Osumeni. I have been to Newi. I have been to O. I have been to Onitsha. I have been to many places. I have told Anambra as a whole. But one thing that I discovered is prostitution is too much in this state. Prostitution is beyond in this state called Anambra State. And when you're looking at these young girls, small girls. I watched the statistics recently that HIV is beyond control. Now this, and the people that are contacting it are young girls, nothing higher than 24, 25, 19, 17, all those teenagers to their early 20s. HIV is too much, including married women. But it's quite a pathetic thing that EJ at night, every location of the region, hearing a whole woman, prostitute, young girls. And nobody is saying anything about it. Because Governor, as you have started this wonderful job, because Governor, I plead and I beg you, please, I would like you to put more effort to curtail, to put an end to these girls, to these young boys that are patronizing this atrocity. They will come on that comment section and say, Ogechi, mind your business. No, we are in this together. We will put an end to this horrific atrocity you guys are perpetuating in our different states. All the too much, Governor Sorudo. All the too much. Because actually, video, but there is no need for that. Give young, small girls on the streets hustling with their body. Because if there is any way you will create jobs, if there is any way we will put hands together and create jobs, please, Governor Sorudo, we need to do it as soon as possible. Things are falling apart in our various states. But now I can see you are the only competent governor that are ready to take the bull by the horn. Because Governor, this is another thing that you should look into. Prostitution akali beelu. You see all of them nakeding themselves on Facebook. They are the people that are doing this. You see all these people are saying that Ashawo is their inheritance. They will come out and say, oh, it's content. It's a lie. Things are really happening. We need to stop this now. Because Governor, I wish I am a melia, but with your power, with the power in your Ogechi, I am capable. In your power today, Ogechi, I want you to be in the position of putting an end to all these things. Governor Saruda will do it with no mercy. You need vibrant people that will push this narrative. Because Governor Sorudo, things need to be done as soon as possible. And another thing I want to bring to your attention, because Governor, are these people that will come out and now what our youth to Kahajikaya Mata? Nagi were 77 pin. Nagi were a woman a biakaha boro hobu. A fellow woman will sit down and sit here down in her comfortable zone. May young girls advice. Kahabia kaya boro hakaya mata. Kahajiga chumoke. Instead of you to encourage our girls to stay away from prostitution, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, where our motherly conscience? Where are our hearts? Ghana me encourage. Matter now, young girls are going through hardship in town. Anything they go, they are ready to look for money to pay their school fees. They are ready to look for money to buy their fake hair. They are ready to look for money to buy good, expensive things to showcase themselves. Then, on to advise them. You kayamata sellers. You kayamata sellers. You idiotic kayamata sellers. You prostitute that sit in your house and connect other women. Oh my, you can't deceive her. It's only God in heaven that will destroy you. Governor Samuel, you should put eye in all this all these hopeless charlatans on this blue app, deceiving our young people. And this Governor Samuel, if it's possible, we're only an administrator of this social media. So they will be reporting this problem. And I encourage all state governors to look at Governor Sorudo and imitate this young man. Because Governor Sorudo cannot be the only one tackling all these issues. All of you should put hands together. All of you all should put hands together and put an end to these impurities. Our people are lavishing and perishing. We need to create more jobs. We need to go to our youth and advise them. This is the right thing to do. I opened an acquisition at Enugu for young women to come and learn handwork. I am bringing them out of the streets so they will be responsible for their family. It's a way of creating jobs. We need more hands like this. One person like me cannot do it alone. I am facing a lot of problems on this blue app because I am against Indegibe. I am against Indominant. I am against prostitution. I am against many things that Nigerians are using to make money on social media. I don't make no money on my platform. That is not the initiative. The initiative is to bring out our young youth out of the streets. Because Governor, if you come across this video, I urge you to share it and tag our governor. Every state should learn what Governor Sarudo is doing. Please, Governor, all these women now being near our youth, bad advice, bad influencers should be stopped. We should put an end to their movement. We should stop all this. Because majority of them are Kashiri. They just to advise young girls, destroy their life, destroy them. They don't care the implications. We need more hands to put an end to this halo. Because Maduga Gabia, 77 pain. Any man will over the game with it. Only Okoshiri insist in this generation. Only Okoshiri insist in this generation. It's just to tap on Ogechi matter. Because you even Ogechi stand against every atrocity that you promote on this blue app. We will see to the end of all these arrows. Thank you, Governor Sarudo. You will live long. Please, other governors should imitate Governor Sarudo. It is very, very important. Thank you and God bless you. I know, sir, you have heard my voice. I will keep preaching. Thank you.